Hi everyone and welcome back. We have a very exciting video today. We're going to be talking about Gamma. This is a new tool to be creating presentations, websites, whatever content you want. We're going to be discovering what exactly this is. Gamma is actually a competitor of the new Tome application that raised over $50 million from the biggest VCs. Gamma is actually a new tool. I just heard about it not so long ago. We're going to be creating, just from a simple text prompt, a very lucrative presentation in any kind of topic that we want to do. So I'm actually going to go ahead and click this out. Already inside of Bard, I have a very simple text. I am creating a presentation on how to file your taxes in 2023 for the IRS. Help me create an outline for my YouTube tutorial so I can help people file their taxes properly. So I'm going to go ahead and click this to Bard. And from this outline that I'm going to be generating, I'm going to take the outline and actually put it inside of Gamma. Gamma is going to take the outline and create a presentation for me. So let's go ahead and just check exactly what Google Bard did. So here's an outline for a YouTube tutorial on how to file your taxes in 2023, right? So there's the introductions, there's gathering the documents, but let's go ahead and take this whole outline. I'm going to go ahead and go inside of the Gamma app. So after you signed up, after you created your whole account, you're going to go ahead and create a new presentation. They have a beta version called Text to Deck. So this is a transform your outline, notes, or a whole document to a presentation. The text that I took from Bard, I'm going to go ahead and just paste it very simply. This is going to be a instruction. Write it in a professional, engaging tone with concise, persuasive language. If the notes are missing info and add your own rich details and go beyond the obvious. Generate the presentation in English. Use layouts and imagery to make your presentation stand out. So after the instructions and after the content that I just pasted from Bard, I'm going to create this presentation from scratch. Let's go ahead and see what we do. So I'm going to try a theme, finesse. Let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so now Gamma is actually reviewing my instructions, everything that I inputted inside of this tool, and now it's going to be creating this presentation that I inputted in. So let's see what happens. This could change the game forever in creating any kind of application. If you just have a website, sales decks, PowerPoints, forecast reviews, any kind of information you have, you'll be able to create it just from simple text. Let's see what comes out of this. Okay, so because I use Text to Deck, it says in this mode, you can give detailed instructions and write your own outline. Results may take longer and may need a few tries to get it right. So let's see what's going on. So I'm going to be speeding up this video as I edit it so that you guys will see, but this is pretty impressive just from the imagery and the text right now. It's a very clean UX. Doesn't seem so complicated. Seems very engaging, open, wide. Let's see what happens. So how to file your taxes in 2023. Welcome to this tutorial on how to file your taxes. By the end of this presentation, you will know everything you need to do to file taxes correctly. Let's get started. Boom. The presentation has just been completed. In my opinion, this is a very simple and beautiful and also elegant presentation on the topic on how to file your taxes in 2023. I'm actually going to give you a presentation now on how to file your taxes in 2023. Welcome to this tutorial and thank you so much for presenting here today. What we're going to be needing right now is to gather your documents. The most important thing in every single walk of life is to get organized. Do you have a specific document? Do you have all the necessary systems required in order to go ahead and get started? Here we're going to go ahead and get organized by taking all the documents that we need, including the W-2 forms, the 1099 forms, and keep them in one single place. Stay prepared and also don't overlook other types of forms that you need or required to you. To actually prepare a tax preparation, we could either do it ourselves, we could get an expert, or if you're more of a low income, you could go ahead and use a tax-free preparation service through the VITA or TCA programs by the IRS. So filing your taxes is actually very complicated, but this is exactly why we're providing this presentation. So if you're filing your taxes electronically, you'll need to set up an account with the IRS and use tax preparation software. If not, simply print out your return mail and mail it into the IRS. Make sure you double check your work and make any corrections before filing. General tips to remember: start early. Always, the earlier the better. You're not going to make mistakes. You're going to be prepared. You're going to be organized. Maximize your deductions as much as possible. Make sure you utilize every single thing. Don't lose any kind of document or information that you might have, and also don't default, right? Extensions can prevent you actually from paying late fees, right? So these are just overall tips and tricks to go ahead and get you ready for next year. in 2024 in April because we just passed it, but electronic filing made easy is a really simplified process. You should really read the instructions, make everything online very easy and simple. And also you have faster refunds because it's online, right? So thank you so much for joining this presentation and hope to see you next time.